Ngayon po, syempre open communication lang kami iti DepEd and the city government. Adalor na pasama ka manong bomb threat iti last week at mesa ito'y napasama iti University Bell. Kaya syempre very alarming if agbaling rampant dito hoax or joke iti ubing hanga mabalin. So kitain tayo how to strengthen or how to minimize iti panang kasi mapaspasamak. Kasi if I know nagsubmit iti Sangguniang no kasi pinang-address na dito, it was tackled but it was not passed. So kitain na kasunod ibang strengthen dito yung strengthen the measure to prevent kasi nga mapaspasamak. Kaya po, we will discuss with the CDRRMO. Usually ngayon po the earthquake drill tayo is also aligned with the bomb threat drill. So we need to reassess again. No kasano in the implementation na yung same namin scenario apo So same di pinang-address di nga issues.